Hey y'all, let's get started. So I am making spinach and artichoke pizza. Here is what I am using. And I started by opening the can of artichoke hearts and putting them in the drain so that they can dry off. Next thing is spinach. So I have added oil to a pan, and I'm heated this pan to a medium. I am all out of fresh, so I am using frozen spinach. There it is, frozen spinach to make this pizza. So let's get started. Now the goal here is just to dry out the spinach so that it's not making the pizza crust soggy. So that's about 6 ounces of a 12-ounce package, so about half of a pack of frozen spinach. And y'all already know that I don't measure, so season to taste. This is a little bit of some pink salt that you saw, and this is actually smoked black pepper. I love it. It's so good. It gives such a depth of flavor to your dishes. So I'm going to add some of that in. And I'm going to add a little bit of some crushed red pepper. Just a little bit for some flavor. I'm just going to move that around. Like I said, the goal is to dry out the spinach, thaw it out. We do want to cook it a little bit because frozen foods are flash steamed and then frozen. This is why they're next best thing to fresh fruit and vegetables, because they are minimally processed. So we're just going to dry that out. Okay, so this is all dried out. The glistening that you see is from the oil. So I'm going to put this aside and let it cool a few minutes before I assemble the pizza. Okay guys, it's time to assemble. I have my pizza pan here and the tried and true Banza chickpea pizza crust. Let's work. Okay, so I'm just gonna spoon on some of my sauce and spread it out. Now if you want to know how I made this creamy garlic sauce, then you should go back and check out my last video. And if you haven't already, be sure to comment, to like, and subscribe so that you never miss any of my videos. Hit that notification bell, okay? So I'm just going to spread it out all over. This is spinach and artichoke, so that means that we have white. Now you guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't eat nutritional yeast or soy and other things like that for my own personal reasons and health reasons. You know, everyone is different, so I choose not to eat those things. So this won't have any vegan cheese of any kind on it, so I'm being very generous with the sauce. So now I'm just going to take my clean hands and distribute out the spinach that I made earlier all over. I love spinach, so my pizza is going to be loaded with it. I'm not sure about you. You guys know what I say all the time. Make sure that you experiment, that you try new things, have fun, try different flavors, because how else will you know what you like on this journey unless you try it? So I have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of spinach, which is the way that I like it. Put as little or as much as you like. So now I'm just going to place in some of those artichoke hearts that we let drain earlier. I love artichokes. I think they are just so yummy and delicious. I used to eat spinach artichoke dip all the time when I used to go out before I went vegan, so this is going to be a real treat for me. So this is not the whole can, but it's a good amount of it. So this is going to bring back some familiar flavors, and it's going to be so yummy and delicious, and I am looking forward to it. I always love to have some type of fresh element to my pizza, so I am going to add on some fresh onion. So I'm just going to add some of that smoked black pepper to the top, and a little bit of garlic powder, because remember, those onions and those artichokes are not seasoned. And also a little bit of crushed red pepper. A little spice never hurt nobody, unless it does, so then you don't do that. Into the oven, wait 15 minutes. Okay guys, here we are. She's done and delicious. I already know it, and I haven't even had any yet. So thanks for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here is my beautiful pizza. I'll cut it for you. Here she is in all her glory. Spinach artichoke pizza. Yummy. Enjoy.